To link your bank account, start by gathering the necessary information, including your bank account number, routing number, and account type. Next, go to the website or mobile app of the service you want to link your bank account to, such as online payment platforms or mobile wallets. Look for the section that allows you to add a bank account, usually found in the Settings or Account section. Click on this section and select Add Bank Account or Link Bank Account. You will then be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Enter the required information carefully, making sure to double-check for accuracy. You may also be asked to provide additional information, such as your name and address, to verify your identity. Once you have entered all the required information, submit it and wait for the verification process to complete. The verification process may involve a small test deposit made to your bank account, which you will need to confirm to complete the linking process. Alternatively, you may be asked to log in to your online banking account to authorize the linking of your bank account. After your bank account has been successfully linked, you will be able to use it to make payments or transfer funds. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of the service you are using to understand any fees or limitations associated with linking your bank account. It is also important to keep your bank account information secure and up to date to avoid any issues with transactions or account access. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily and securely link your bank account to the services you use.